Bros in the woods! That was rude, ignorant, and unacceptable.
No, that was normal.
Don't do it.
That didn't even do anything.
I'm in a t-shirt and I'm waiting for all this snow to come down on me.
I offered to help him. Wow, all I see is trees.
We're lost in the woods.
It's really tempting to dump that snow on your head right now.
Don't do it. Aaron's kind of wimping out. He said he wants to go back home.
I did not.
Oh.
Idiot.
I must have... Idiot?
Uh-huh.
That might hurt my feelings. Well, the snow's not too bad up here. It's a little deep. It's not too bad.
Snow's coming down a little.
It is. You see that? It's snowing on the Aaron.
I think we're going the right way.
I think so. That's where we're going.
Your gloves are
Uphill.
covered in snow. Your mittens.
My mittens, yeah. That's where we came from.
I'm getting hot.
Yeah. It's getting toasty up here.
Yo. Firewood.
Well, what do we think? Is it going or what?
Ow.
You think, Aaron?
What?
Think it's going to be all right?
Sure.
Cooking some lunch. What's on the menu for lunch?
Eggs.
What are you cooking us?
Bacon.
Eggs, bacon.
A bagel, I think.
On a bagel with cheese. That's right. Some seriously good stuff here.
Wanna come, Cody? Come on up.
Come on, Cody, we're calling you out. Oh, wait, we forgot to invite him. So, Cody, bros in the woods. Next time. We'll catch you next time. This was kind of last minute.
Yeah.
I tell you what, we started this fire with some newspaper. Yeah, we cheat. And some waxwood. Check out our waxwood episode. That waxwood makes all the difference. It really does. Insanely so.
Even though some idiots say we're doing it wrong.
Now, there's always idiots. If you want our advice, we have no idea what we're doing. All the advice we give you is bad. And
Nonsense.
don't try this at home. That's our speech.
Nonsense.
And it's a lot of fun. Isn't it, Aaron?
See.
All right.
All right, sir. $11. I was like, 11? She's like, yep. I'm like, let me get my money out and give that to you before the manager does come.
Chef Aaron's cooking the food. Oh, I think we need to get some. Let's get some wood in here. Oh, this wood is kind of wet.
Oh, that smells good.
Doesn't it?
And not that I mind hot dogs, but it's nice having something different.
Yeah, legit.
Because about 90% of the time when you and me come, it's hot dogs.
Yeah, which is fine,
It
but
is fine.
it's fun to cook with a frying pan up here too.
And something different.
Something different.
Oh, and that smells good.
It's so hard keeping the wood dry because it's snowing.
Yeah, and the wood's already a little bit wet.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that grease in there.
What do you think, Aaron? Yep. It's good. We're definitely gonna have to have like some t-shirts and stuff for sale on our YouTube.
That'd be cool.
Oh, this is comfortable. This is a good fire that I did, you know? It's all by myself.
No, I started it, then we added at the same time after that. And I collected wood.
So this is a nice fire that I did all by myself. You know, I am the great hunter. Whoa! Trying to burn my mittens off? Actually, I think this one might be getting burned a little bit. Actually, no, it's good. It's good. It's all good. That's all. That one's going to start getting burned pretty quick.
I thought it was all good.
That's all good for right now. It's all good for right now, but I feel like I smell that funny smell of... See that? Try to kick my head in. Howdy. This is your fault.
How? How did you get that?
You're the fireman. And that pathetic thing, I'm the big boss. That pathetic thing is your fault.
Whatever. He's right into that.
No.